Now then, welcome back to another one. I honestly didn't expect to have to wear a jacket in August. It is awesome. We've had a couple of months now where it's been super harsh light and really hot, and this is a welcome change. We've got some pretty much blanket cloud cover. We've already had some rain today, so today I'm going for some very moody shots. I'm going to meet up with Mike, we're going to grab some coffee, and then we're going to grab some images. Hopefully to add to the moodiness of these shots, I'm using an old Helios 44-2 on the Sony A6000. A lot of these shots are going to end up black and white without a doubt, but hopefully I can get some cool effects with this. This flat light is proving challenging. Yeah. Oh, guy with a hat. Going for a side-on shot. I think my first one won't bad. Missed the mid-stride, but not bad. Your lines, your guy. Oh, we're in umbrella territory, aren't we? Yeah, I just thought we should have brought the waterproof case for the Osmo.
What's the chance of a woman in pink walking past with a parrot on her shoulder?
You can hope. There's a bloke here at the bus stop with a hat on, an old guy. I'm trying to get one. Yeah, that's a better one. That one was in focus. New one.
See what I mean?
Yeah. I missed the focus because I'm shit. Oh, there's a dude sat in City Hall. for that guy on that bench over there. Yep. Another one with a hat. We need more umbrellas. Yes. Please be in focus. Good, good. Why coming from your right? Because I shoot wider, it's freaks me out.
One with the 300 on top.
Yeah, I know. I like that sort of, you know, sort of that mystery that it gives when you can't see your face.
Yeah.
And the fact that they don't change what they're doing.
Yeah.
Traffic warden guy. Right, so you know what? Portrait shot. Right, so I've switched to the 135. This is going to give me about 200mm on the APS-C, and it's giving me some real nice compression. And with this Moody light and this bit of rain, the shots are looking awesome. Got this guy under a tree. Looking really cool, so it feels 28. Boom. Volley here. Dude here, sad profile, hat, coffee. We'll get him. Might get him through that gap. Yeah, 2 masks, yeah. Reflection going to happen?